In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Google Sheets. Page breaks let you control exactly where one printed page ends and the next one begins, which is especially helpful when your data runs wide or long and you want headers, sections, or totals to appear cleanly on separate pages. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you're viewing it in a desktop browser because custom page breaks live in the print setup. With your sheet visible, go to the top menu and choose File, then Print. You're not sending anything to the printer yet. This simply opens the print preview where you can see how your sheet will lay out on paper and make adjustments before committing. Inside the print preview, look for the option labeled Set Custom Page Breaks. Click it to enter the page break editor. The grid of your sheet will appear with blue guidelines overlaid. These lines represent where the pages will split, both horizontally for rows and vertically for columns. You'll also see a page outline showing the current paper size and orientation so you can judge how much content fits on each page. Now drag the blue lines to the exact spots you want your pages to break. Dragging a horizontal line sets the point where one page ends and the next begins down the rows. Dragging a vertical line controls how columns are divided across pages. As you move a line, it snaps between rows and columns to prevent cutting through cells. Think about readability here. Place breaks just above section headings, totals, or blank space or rows, so related information stays together. If a page looks too crowded, nudge the line to give key rows some breathing room. Conversely, if a page looks sparse, pull the break to balance content across pages. Remember that your current margins and scale affect how much fits. The blue layout helps you visualize the result as you position each break. When you're happy with the layout, click Confirm Breaks. You'll return to the print preview with your custom breaks applied, and the page thumbnails will reflect the new pagination. From here, you can proceed with printing or simply close the preview. Your custom page breaks will remain for this sheet until you change them. If you need to tweak the layout later, reopen File, Print, choose Set Custom Page Breaks again, and drag the lines to adjust. That's all there is to it. With these quick adjustments, your Google Sheets will print cleanly and professionally exactly the way you want.